Alright guys, here we are getting ready to go to the big meetup, half a mile away. So we're gonna go do the big drone meetup here down in Southwest Florida, down off the Causeway 510, following above the sky, and RL drone photography, and we got old boy in the back there, DW. We're gonna meet up and have a good time. So I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you guys in the videos. All right, everybody. Here it is. Big drone meetup. Woo-wee. It is not fun flying out here. They have had some mini tubes up from again. Some FPV, so we'll see. We'll get some meet and greet. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Alright, so I gotta beat that yet. Lots of people all around. Lots going on. Get some battery now, so do some meet and greet. Look at the wind out here.
Yeah, I brought my eyes almost.
Guys. Go figure, you find somebody around here with toys. Ron's got a kid already. Look at him, like a kid in the candy store.
Well, that's gonna be
lots of people, lots of goodies going on around here. Everybody kind of wandering, flying, all the toys out, all the people. Boxing match to happen, maybe. We'll see. It's a start. Or do we just call bullshit on the drama? We'll see. Seems to be the thing to do. See that window here? It's crazy, but we got Billy Kyle, we got all the big FPV guys. We got Art, W, Carlos, Ed. Well, we got everybody. We're just hanging out, chilling, having a good old time out here. Lots of us around. Things going on. Not a whole lot of flying really so much. There is some flights going on. Some Altels went up. They had the Mini 2 up in this thing too, and I don't know if I'm going to send mine up, but we're looking to have a good time still anyway, enjoying talking to people. So meet and greet, that was today was all about. Flying FPV again tomorrow, so enjoy, peeps. New world of FPV. Flying with the remote. Flying with the remote.
Oh yeah, just stop. Saw it? It just paused. Oh, it figured out he dropped it? Yeah. It just stops? Yeah, it just stopped dead in its track. No, I didn't. Look. I tried him. I got the motor. Stop. Eventually it did. No, it'll stop. So he picked it. Yeah, but it took a moment. When you first dropped it, bro, it did some shit. Yeah, it did some shit.
Oh, the pelicans are gone already. Damn it. Oh, there they are.
Take the DJI drone for a ride.
I'm not putting an aggro. I don't want to do that.
Right.
Drinking too much, very big difference.
Yeah.
What's that?
Get on yours up.
Yeah, start off. Well, when we're ready.
Yeah. I didn't want to waste all your time.
I kept bugging them because I ordered that case.
I figure they don't need to see the assembly part. It's almost put together.
Everybody keeps telling me I gotta fly this.
kind of home point is weird.
I thought he said he'd never do it. So the rule is more than 4 you probably have problems. According to get out of the guy, they have an event right now going on in Stavanger. They say you can only have 4 in the air at one time. I don't know if that's because of a lot of channels that are available and it's just going to create. I'm not sure, but they say 4.
What height are you guys at?
What height are you at, Dano? What height are you at?
52. Okay, I'm way up. I had to compensate a little bit. It started going down.
So what do you think, man?
I think it's interesting.
Yeah, just tell me.
I'm like way over there. I'm like 200 feet up.
No, motherfucker. Tell me you like it.
I think it's interesting.
Where are you at? Oh, you took your goggles off. Can you do that with a normal drone?
What's normal? What's normal?
Oh, there it is. Can't go to bed.
So, what's from?
I just set it back up.
Oh.
I figured you flew it, so I let you take back control of your camera.
I'm losing my voice. I argue with my wife all day.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
That was my thing.
In the white van over here.
Let me touch that. Oh,
If you know.
yeah, you're right.
But you've got one where they.
Steady as a rock.
But he can't never get right when he watches the figures.
Watch this one, dude. He gets out there. And he gets into that stance before he flashes. Pull that battery! Pull the battery!
Pull the battery!
Pull that battery! It's getting on dinner time. They're giving us some tables. We have got a mob coming today, so hope you guys have fun. It's on. Oh yeah, it's on.